Hello viewers, we're back with the Dell PowerEdge server. Hopefully this rendition is a little bit more exciting than the first part. Got everything connected. I have the screen connected and the keyboard. I have never plugged in this screen, so I don't know if it works, but I'm going to plug it in on video in case it does anything out of the ordinary. Okay, the screen is plugged in. Looks like it wanted to come on. Okay, now it's in standby mode. I'm going to plug in the computer now. Okay, it's working. Or at least we have fanage. Yeah, that would have been way too loud to use as a desktop computer. And here we go. We want setup, so we'll do an F2 here. And it's probably going to take an obnoxiously long time to start up, because that's typically what these things do. This is a good monitor. It's very clear. Needs to be cleaned. It'd probably be a little bit clearer. Yeah, if the video would be a little bit clearer, that'd be fantastic. Okay, it's 3 gigahertz. That's pretty fast. It's drive seek failure. There's no hard drive in there, so whatever. Okay, looks like the BIOS battery is excuse me, I gotta get a drink. Okay, it looks like the BIOS battery is completely dead because we are back to the manufacture date of 2005. So this is a floppy drive. It's a 3.5-inch floppy drive, and there is 1500 megabytes of RAM, DDR2, 16 megabytes of video memory, so the onboard graphics is essentially worthless for anything beyond basic configuration of your server program. CPU information. Processor 1, 3 gigahertz, not a whole lot of cache, but whatever. Primary is the CD drive. We have an unknown device. Not sure what that would be. See what kind of integrated devices we have here. Okay. Let's see, do we have any other pages? I don't think so. Well, admittedly, that's about all we can do without a hard drive, so I wonder if I have a Linux disk somewhere. I may have one set up somewhere, I don't know. Well, anyways, it does work. So it looks like it should be usable. It's kind of noisy. I had thought about putting this in the bedroom closet, but that's definitely not going to happen. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this thing. Well, that's for another time and another day. Today is not the day.